What wealthy people don't want you to know about money. Establishing your place in the corporate world is difficult, and it gets even more difficult when you want to indicate your rank on the richest lists. You won't get the sound counsel to get wealthy from everyone, therefore, here are some of the money secrets that the affluent don't want you to know. Hey, isn't everything, though you can only get so far up the corporate ladder before you reach your earnings capacity and hit a plateau. The wealthy understand that making your money work hard for you rather than the other way around is crucial to increasing wealth. Actually, Robert Kiyosaki, author of the best-selling personal financial book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is based on this idea. The easiest method to do this is to generate revenue from a passive as opposed to generating from an active income source. Use of time rather than timing. The recent Dow Jones meltdown has demonstrated that no one can accurately forecast how the market will behave tomorrow. The wealthy are aware of this and don't try to work a second job as a day trader. Time is more crucial to invest performance than timelines. The wealthy recognize that time and compound returns are the most significant aspect in developing wealth, but a majority of the population believes that timing of the market swings is the key to becoming wealthy through the stock market. Write it down on paper. The gap between having an idea and putting it on paper is frequently what separates the uber successful from the normal person. If you believe that success equates to riches, it might be the time to start outlining your most modest and biggest financial goal. Write down your objective along with the strategy for achieving it. If you want to become a multimillionaire, recognizing value over cost, the wealthy person's 3 closest pals are her accountant, her advisor, and her lawyer. When determining how to maximize their fortune, especially across several generations, the wealthy frequently exploit the law and take the tax codes to their advantage. They are also not reluctant to pay up front for legal advice in order to obtain these solutions. Less meals out, individuals who want to save frequently forgo their morning cappuccino, and the wealthy indulge in little extravaganza like Starbucks. Whenever they can, they focus on saving from a larger perspective. Saving money for like retirement, cutting back on eating out can save 30%. Own your own business? Workers want to increase their employer's wealth. Nearly every one of the 1,426 people on Forbes' list of the world's billionaires made their wealth through the company they and their family members helped start. Many middle-class workers fear that starting a business is too hazardous. Use other people's funds. The advantage it takes money to make money may strike the average person as a stall plateau used to rationalize expensive expenditures. It serves as a golden rule of prosperity for the wealthy. Leveraging other people's money and wealth to raise your own is the key. Trading time for income is a losing game, especially as technology replaces many jobs that don't require a highly competitive human being. A time-tested strategy for accumulating wealth uses money from banks and investors, not to mention taking advantage of tax laws which greatly favor business owners. Thank you for watching. Please share this information